it's Joe Hill from DoneRight Management. We are at the Lazy Deer Landing in McCall. Just to go over the heating options in this home, we have the furnace, which basically is running the entire home, and then down here we have the fireplace. So under here you have the heat off and cool. Obviously the cool is not going to work in a fireplace, and so I have this on. I've turned up the heat to 79. So I'm just going to quickly walk over here, and then you have a general idea. You can see that the fireplace is on. In order to turn it on and off, you are utilizing the little switch on the bottom. And I think it's important to recognize that when you leave, you go ahead and turn it and put it into the off position. And that will put it off. That will turn it off. And then in order to heat the home, upstairs and downstairs, you're going to put this into the heat mode, currently set to 70. Right now we'll put it to off, and that would be it. So if you have any further questions and you need to have any explanations that you need assistance with, you can call the landline in the office, and that number is a 208-634-0030.